Okay, in today's lesson we are going to draw this basics 2D drawing in AutoCAD. It looks a bit complicated, but it's very simple. Let's try to understand everything before we start. Now we are having this kind of square something with full measurement. Now let's start from this side. When you look at the drawing very well, you can see it's a square, something square. Okay, so from this side to this end side we have the measurement here. All the measurements are in millimeters. From this side to this side is 90 millimeters, and then the distance from this place to this end is 22.5 mm, and then this total height is also 75 mm. Now this distance from the center of this circle to this place is 15, and then this place is the same as the top, 90, and then the height over here is the same as the one here, 15. And now from this place to this side is 37.5, that is shown here. From this end to this side is 37.5. Now let's come to the inner side. From the gap between this space is shown here 7.5 mm, and then the end from this side to this end is 15, and this is also 15. So repeated, 7.5, 15, 7.5, 15. Okay, so let's open our AutoCAD and start from this place. I'll start from the end here, 90, and then we go. So you open AutoCAD and you select the line command. Now click anywhere in the model space, then make sure your line is straight, the green track line is showing, then enter 90. You press enter. It becomes very small. You can zoom in with your mouse. Now from this going downwards is 15, so you come down 15, then you go this side 22.5. so select the line command again, you come down from here 15 mm, then you go this side 22.5, and you come down. When you look at this distance, this end to this is 75, so 75. Then from here, let's go up. From here you come back to this place again. You can track it from here, okay, and you click. Now you go down 15 again and you come back. You can also track it from this place. Make sure the two green lines will be meeting. If not, your work will not be straight. So okay, it's not coming. It's supposed to come, but if you're not getting it, you can just enter the 90. It's the same thing. So 90, that is from this place to this place. Then you go up 15. Go up 15. You can even track from this end 15. Now this side is different. It's 37.5. So you enter 37.5. Now you go up is 75 as well, so you can track from this place and click. You come down, you can also track from this place and click, and then you join this one to this. So we have the outer part done. So let's try and tackle the rest of it, but let's start from this side. So to make the work easier, I'll offset this line. You can see the distance is 7.5. I'll offset the whole line 7.5 inside, then I'll offset this side also, which is 7.5. so let me start with the top. So I can use the shortcut command O for offset, then you enter the distance, which is 15, if I'm sure, yeah, 7.5, sorry, from this place 7.5, so 7.5, not 15. You press enter. Now you click here and you bring it down. You have your 7.5. Now you can see the distance from this place to this side is also 15. So exit enter the offset shortcut again. The distance is 15. Press this, select, bring down 15. Now you go again for that of the 7.5, so you just repeat it. So offset distance is 7.5 for the next one. Okay, so offset again, distance is 15, offset 7.5, and the last one, offset distance 15. Select this line and click. Okay, so now we have the 3, 1, 2, 3. We have these 3 lines, these 3 boxes done. Now let's offset this line also from here to this side, 7.5. So click, enter your offset shortcut, or you can click here. This is the offset command. You click, you enter your distance, which is 7.5, and let's click offset. Now you can see after this the next gap is 30. Okay, so you offset 30. So offset again, you can click the command here, enter your distance of 30, click this side, and then you offset. So you see to meet this one. Now when you are done, you trim all the unnecessary lines. So you can use the shortcut TR, you press enter, then you trim all the unwanted lines. You trim them all, the ones you don't need, you can trim them. Sorry. Now you see this side too, you don't need it, so let's trim this side. You don't need here, and this side. Now I left these two because we will use this for fillet. Now see, all fillet are 7.5, radius 7.5. So I left these 2 lines just for filleting. So let's click on fillet, or you can type F for fillet. You press enter. Now you click on radius, enter 7.5, enter, click this line and click this line. You see, it automatically deletes the line here. Now repeat, click this line with the same radius. So click this line and click this line. You see, it has already formed the fillet, and then the line is no more there. Good. Let's try and do this one. Now from the top here to the down here, the distance between them is 15, so you can offset. But remember, this total length of this line is 90, but we will still offset 15 down. So let's do that. Offset, let's enter 15. Good. Then after that, let's offset 18 for this side again. So offset, go for offset, then enter a distance of 18, you press enter, then you come down. Good. Now we are done with this part. But remember, this line, this total line is 90 instead of 60. It's supposed to be 60. If you check the dimension from here to here, it's supposed to be 60. Now you can reduce it. Click this line, click on it, and then click from the end here, bring it inside, and enter 30. It will reduce it by 30. The same thing for this one. Click here, bring it inside 30. So now we can check the drawing. The line is actually 60. Yeah, but you see it's not in the middle. So for it to be in the middle, you can just use a line, just draw a straight line from the center of this line to this side, and then you move this, just move it from the center to meet this one. Okay, and move this one as well, move for it to meet this line, track it, and then you get it here. Good. Now let's join the end. Let's join this end. Click here, click here, repeat. Okay, so now we are done with the top. Let's come to the down. Here we offset 15 again and 35. So let's click the offset, enter distance of 15. Good. offset again, distance of 35 for the inner one. Okay, now the same thing we did, we have to reduce it to 60. Okay, so click here, bring it inside 30, click this one as well, bring it inside 30. Okay, now let's draw the straight line from the center so that it will help us to move it. Okay, move from the center to this side, so move from this center to this place. Okay, now let's connect the ends from this side to this side. Press enter again to activate the line command. Join it from here to here. Now we don't need this line, so you can delete them. Alright, now there's fillets here, 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 and here. Radius 7.5. So click on fillet, enter a radius of 7.5. Okay, click this one and click this one. Now you can even select multiple, so click fillet, the radius, come and click fillet, enter a radius 7.5 is there, then you click on multiple so that it will allow you to do multiple fillets. So click here, click here, click here, and click here. Good. Now we are done with this side as well. Let's come to the circles, these 3 circles. Now it's quite simple. Let's offset this line inside 15. Okay, so select the line now, enter or select your offset, click your offset command. The radius is 15, sorry, the distance is 15, enter 15, select this line, bring it inside. Good. Now select the circle command, click here, sorry, select the circle command, bring it here, don't click, and then you send it up. If you check the measurement is 15, so you send it up, you don't click, just send it up, enter 15. Good. And then click diameter, the diameter is 15, and then you enter 15 for the diameter. Now when you are done with this one, you can copy. So let's copy this one, let's copy, can use the copy command here and click the center. Now the distance is 22.5, so you enter 22.5. Good. Now you have to copy again, but remember the distance, the next distance is not from this place to, it's not from the second one to the third one, it's from the first one to the last one. So if you add the 22.5 to be 45, so enter 45, enter 45. Good. And then you have it over there. Now let's delete this line, we don't need it again. Now remember there's fillet all around, which the radius is 7.5, so let's do that. Now the fillet, let's click on fillet, the radius is, sorry, fillet, the radius is 7.5. okay, it's already there, so press enter, then click on multiple. Let's select all the lines that we want to fillet. Okay, so we are done filleting all our work, and this is what we want to do. Now the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to create a layer, and then you will put all the, you will dimension the work, and then you put the dimension on it. So to do that, let's create a layer first. So go to the layer properties and then create new, give it a name, yeah, and then after giving it a name, you can change the color from this place. Let's give it let's say yellow. Yellow will be good. Click OK. Now you can even change the line width as well. This here is on the default, so let me send it to, I'll bring it to 0.15. okay, sorry, I choose the wrong one. Let me use the dimension 0.15. okay, then close it. Now let's make the dimension layer active by clicking it. Okay, so now it's active, so let's try and dimension our work. Let's try and dimension our work from this side to this side. Bring down 90. From this side, enter to repeat. This side to this side, 15. Enter to repeat. This side to this side, bring it back 75. Enter and give it a distance between these circles. It's 22.5. okay, now let's try and dimension this side as well. Here 90. okay, then from this side to this side 75, then from here to this place 37.5. okay, let's measure this side 15. Okay, I think this side also 60, 60, and I think that will be all. Then let's do that of the radius. So radius, all the radius are 1, so we just measure 1 or 2, then that will be all. 7.5, 7.5. Let's do the last one. 7.5. okay, so I want us to increase the line width, so let's go to the defaults. I want us to increase the line width of the drawing, so click on this. The line width will be I don't know, I think because of the layer we created earlier, it's not permitting the work to be big. Okay, I'm coming, let me change. Okay, see, I have to bring it to the default. Good. Now you see the work is nice and neatly done. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and then like the video for more tutorials and projects like this in AutoCAD. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next